This is the NaytonTech D16 notching kit. Basically it just replaces like an Eagle Rod and a piston, so you're not scratching everything up and trying to fit your factory or the aftermarket rods and stuff in there. So put it in like normal, put it all the way down. And actually I only have these down here, so it's actually designed just to fit over the crankshaft without having to bolt anything on. So it clicks on, and then you can rotate it to check your clearances. Make sure everything's good when you get done with that one. Put a little. It actually fits on there pretty tight. Pop it out and move to the next one.